What is time? Time is a concept. It is relative like distance. It is not absolute. A point has no distance. It can be indicated in reference to another point. Distance is the interval between 2 points. Similarly, mind is measured as an interval between two events or experiences. The unit of time is second. We know 60 seconds make a minute and 60 minutes an hour. This is the objective time. We will try to understand why the unit of time is second. All events are in Maya. All experiences are as thoughts. Maya is the power of Brahman. Before it manifested, Maya was unmanifest. Brahman alone was. When Maya manifested, there came the first event or disturbance or thought. It can be called zero time as the concept of time has not yet started. Because the concept of time starts with the second event, as time is measured as an interval between two events. Hence, the second event, objective concept of time, was born and the unit of time called second. Time is a relative concept, as when thoughts are moving rapidly, when we are agitated, gap between thoughts is small and time also moves quickly and a short span feels like an hour. 5 minutes on the clock appear as 5 hours. When we are calm, the gap between thoughts becomes wider, time slows down. A long period feels only like a few minutes. 5 hours on the clock appear as 5 minutes. For example, when we are waiting eagerly for a loved one who is delayed, we look at our watch again and again. Time doesn't seem to be moving, but when we are engrossed in something we love, time flies and our efficiency also goes up as the thought flow is smooth and mind calm. When there are thoughts, we experience time. As thoughts are reduced, time becomes slow. When there is only one thought, time comes to an end and we go beyond time to the timeless state. There is only one thought which we call as zero time. When that drops, the mind becomes still. We become the absolute. There is no ego or anxiety or incompleteness. We become the reality. Here every moment is an eternity and eternity passes as a moment.